Hi guys, today I'm at FoodTown and I'm gonna show you guys where I shop, where I get a lot of Trinidadian stuff and where they have a lot of nice fresh vegetables. You get fresh fish and they have a nice big meat department. So I'm gonna go through the supermarket and I'm gonna show you guys what I get and what they have here.
What else? Let me
Bigger.
In the bottom.
So you guys, if you have seen the beginning of my channel, I did a biryani recipe and I love using the Shan brand. The Shan brand is the best brand. The Bombay biryani is very spicy. I like using this one, just the plain biryani. It's not so spicy, but here you can see they have a wide variety of a lot of boxed items that you can use for cooking. They also have a lot of herbs and spices, a huge range. So guys, if you're looking for a tower to make roti, you can find it here at FoodTown, and they have them for 12 inches $16.99 and a 14 inch is $20.99. And they also have one of the big ones that you can make those really big paratha roti on. Okay, and here we have different types of curries and spices from Trinidad. We have the curry herb, then we have whole jeera or whole cumin seeds, we have calabran curry, split peas powder, here we have fish seasoning, jerk seasoning, seafood seasoning. This is one of the Chinese seasoning that I use a lot. Here we have the fried rice seasoning that I use in fried rice. Here's the chow mein seasoning that I use when I make chow mein or lo mein. So you guys see there's a wide variety. There's even this pilori mix. Char masala that we use a lot in our cooking. Saffron powder, garam masala. Spicy duck and goat curry, which I absolutely love. So you guys have to definitely come down here and check this out. So they have a big variety of Chinese spices, condiments. You can get your sesame oil, you can get soy sauce, you can get vegetarian stir-fry sauce, you can get oyster sauce, Korean barbecue sauce, hoisin sauce. And they also have a lot of Thai ingredients like the Thai red curry and Thai green curry. So if you guys have a hard time finding these Caribbean products, you definitely need to check out FoodTown. That's where you'll find it. I did not show the cilantro or the bandania, but they have that here. It's a little more pricey and you get a really little bit, where you can go to Bravo. They have a bigger amount for your money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog number 2, and until next time, enjoy.